Hello everyone, it's a great honor for me to present my research today. My name is Idewa Gede Agustri Putra, a doctoral student in Engineering Science Program, Faculty of Engineering, Udayana University. The title of my research is An Investigation on the Development of Ultrasonic Micro Heat Exchanger Assisted by Piezoelectric Mass Atomizer. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to my professor, Profesor Dr. Cokorda Gede Tirta Nindya STMT, Profesor Dr. Dewangakan Ketut Putra Negara STMT, and Dr. Wayanada Septiadi STMT for their continuous guidance and support throughout this research. In this presentation, I will discuss the concept, experimental investigation, and performance analysis of micro heat exchanger integrated with ultrasonic automation technology. The background of this research is driven by four main considerations. For the first, modern electronic devices such as CPU and GPU generate a significant amount of heat during operation. This high heat generation creates a serious risk of overheating, which can lead to performance degradation, reduced lifespan, even system failure. Therefore, there is a strong need for efficient and compact cooling technologies. Second, in many industrial systems, a large amount of low-grade heat is wasted and not utilized effectively. This unused thermal energy represents a significant opportunity for improving energy efficiency, enhancing sustainable energy utilization. Thus, technology capable of recovering heat at low temperature difference become very important. That technological development is moving toward miniaturization and compact system design. As system becomes smaller, the need for high performance cooling increase. Its transfer must be enhanced within a limited space, and micro-scale system offer advantages such as higher surface area to volume ratio, improve heat transfer performance. Finally, the concept of modular micro heat exchanger provides a flexible solution. This system offers scalable design, allowing adaptation to different applications. Easy of integration into various engineering systems. This makes them highly suitable for modern, compact, and energy efficient technology. Based on this challenge and opportunities, this research focuses on the development of micro heat exchanger enhanced by ultrasonic atomization, aiming to improve heat transfer performance in compact systems. I would like to present the main research problem addressed in this study. For the first, how is the energy balance of the micro heat exchanger system influenced by the application of ultrasonic atomization? And then, does the integration of piezoelectric mass atomizer significantly improve the heat transfer characteristic of the micro heat exchanger system? And finally, what is the impact of piezoelectric mass atomizer on the effectiveness NTU as a performance of micro-scale heat exchanger? Objective of this research. This study aimed to develop and evaluate the performance of micro-scale heat exchanger system enhanced by a piezoelectric mass atomizer, acting as an active actuator for fluid automation and circulation. The research specifically focused on improving heat transfer characteristics, including the heat transfer rate, overall heat transfer coefficient, thermal effectiveness based on the effectiveness and number of transfer unit method. Through the integration of ultrasonic-driven atomization within a closed-loop system, and this study seeks to investigate the coupling between fluid dynamic and thermal transfer mechanism to achieve enhanced heat transfer performance in compact thermal system. Research benefits. This technology offers a promising solution for enhancing heat transfer from low-grade energy source. Its micro and miniature scale design enables flexible integration into various modular systems, facilitating its application across diverse engineering technology. The system can effectively function as a heat recovery device, capturing and reutilizing waste heat from process operating at relatively low temperature. As a result, it contributes to improving overall energy efficiency in engineering systems. The compact and scalable nature of the design further support the development of modular thermal systems, allowing easier adaptation to specific energy characteristics and operational requirements. This flexible makes the technology highly relevant for the next generation energy system that demand efficiency, compactness, and adaptability. In the context of modern high-power electronics such as processor, GPU, power electronic, and high-frequency communication device, thermal management has become a critical challenge. Elevate operating temperature significantly, accelerate material degradation, and increase the risk of component failure. The implementation of micro heat exchanger can effectively reduce the overall thermal resistance of the system, mitigate localized overheating or hotspot, and maintain more stable operating temperature. Moreover, precise temperature control enhance system reliability, significantly extend the operational lifespan of electronic components. The integration of micro heat exchanger with real temperature sensor, adaptive control based on microcontroller, piezoelectric actuator, and IoT-based monitoring platform open the new opportunity for the development of smart thermal management system. In such system, cooling performance can dynamically adjust to variation in heat loads, enabling more efficient, responsive, and intelligent thermal regulation. Next, I would like to present the limitation of this research. We define the scope and boundaries of this study. First, this study is limited to the use of distilled water as the working fluid. As the result, variation in thermophysical properties such as viscosity, suspension, and thermal conductivity associated with other fluids are not considered in this investigation. Second, the study focused on low-grade thermal conditions within a temperature range of approximately 35 to 45 degrees Celsius, with a temperature difference of 5 to 10 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the findings are specifically relevant to low temperature heat recovery system and might not be directly applicable to high temperature heat exchanger system. The third, the system performance is evaluated primarily through thermal analysis, including heat transfer rate, overall heat transfer coefficient, effectiveness, NTU. However, hydrodynamic behavior and detailed flow field characteristics are not explicitly measured in this study. Finally, this research employs a specific configuration of piezoelectric mesh atomizer separation in atomizer geometry, operating frequency, and power input are not extensively explored, which might influence the generalization of the research. These limitations are important to ensure focus and control experimental study, while also providing direction for the future research and content development. These are the research framework and concept. We begin with the key input parameter that define the operating condition of the system. This includes the inlet temperature of the hot fluids, ranging from 40 to 60 degrees Celsius, and the use of distilled water as the working fluid. Also, a control flow rate of 20 milliliter per minute, and the ultrasonic parameter such as frequency and piezoelectric voltage. This variable directly influence the heat transfer behavior inside the system. The second, the next component is the piezoelectric mesh atomizer, which acts as the core actuator. Through high frequency vibration, the atomizer generates micron-sized droplets, convert liquid into the fine spray, enhance interfacial contact area, and this is the key innovation that differentiates this system from conventional heat exchanger. Micro heat exchanger, or as a closed-loop system, the atomizer is integrated into closed-loop micro heat exchanger design. In this configuration, the working fluid continuously circulates within the system. Heat is transferred through a compact copper-based structure. The system operates similarly to hybrid between a heat pipe and spray or evaporative cooling system. This enables efficient heat transfer in a compact design. Fourth is physical mechanism. This is the concept of the enhancement of heat transfer is governed by three main physical mechanisms: atomization, as ultrasonic vibration breaks the fluid into micro droplets. Acoustic streaming is induce micro-scale fluid motion, improving mixing and compaction. Evaporation, micro droplet evaporate rapidly, increasing the heat transfer coefficient, and together this mechanism significantly intensify thermal performance. 5 is dimensionless analysis. To better understand the system behavior, we apply dimensionless analysis, including Reynolds number, characterized flow regime. Weber number as represent the balance between inertia and surface tension. Ohnesorg number as account for viscous effects. This parameter help identify the automation regime and flow stability. Thermal performance evaluation. The system performance is evaluated using key thermal parameter, heat transfer rates, maximum possible heat transfer, and effectiveness, overall heat transfer coefficient, and the number of transfer unit. This metric provide a comprehensive assessment of system efficiency. Finally, the output of this research include quantification of heat transfer and enhancement, validation of the A-NTU relationship, evaluation of system performance improvement due to ultrasonic effects. The ultimate objective is to demonstrate that the integration of ultrasonic automation significantly improve micro heat exchanger performance. There are 3 points that we consider as evidence in this research. The integration of an ultrasonic atomizer as an active actuator in a micro heat exchanger significantly enhances heat transfer performance. as evident by increased heat transfer rate, heat transfer coefficient, and heat transfer effectiveness compared to a system without ultrasonic actuation. Ultrasonic atomization produces microscale droplets that increase the interfacial surface area of the working fluid. This mechanism intensifies internal spray and evaporative cooling, resulting in enhanced heat transfer performance also. And finally, ultrasonic activation induces acoustic streaming and micropumping effect that are sufficient to drive fluid circulation within a closed-loop system, eliminating the need for external mechanical pump. That's all our hypothesis in this research. The experimental setup consists of a closed-loop micro heat exchanger system integrated with an ultrasonic vibrating mass atomizer, acting as an active flow and heat transfer enhancer. At the core of the system is a micro heat exchanger test section, which is constructed with a compact cylindrical chamber. Inside the chamber, a copper heat transfer core is installed due to its high thermal conductivity, allowing efficient heat exchange between the hot and cold fluid stream. With the circulation system, the system operates using two fluid loops, hot fluid loops, red line. Heat water is supplied from temperature control water baths and circulates using a micro DC pump. The hot fluid enters the upper section of the heat exchanger and transfer heat to the cover core. Cold fluid loop, blue line, cooling water at approximately ambient temperature 25 to 30 degrees Celsius is circulated through a separate channel using another micro pump removing heat from the system. This experimental model of the micro heat exchanger which is developed in this study. The design consists of a compact modular configuration integrating a piezoelectric mass atomizer as an active component to enhance heat transfer. The system is composed of several key parts. Outside cell, this section serves as the hot fluid channel where heat is supplied to the system. 4 M4 bolts. These bolts are used to secure and assemble the structure, ensuring mechanical stability and proper sealing. And then piezoelectric mass atomizer. This is the core component of the system, responsible for generating micro droplets, acoustic streaming, and fluid agitation. This effect significantly enhances the heat transfer process inside the system. Then cotton cloth. The cotton cloth acts as a wicking or distribution medium, helping to spread the fluid evenly, support capillary driven flow, enhance evaporation and heat exchange. Outside cell, this part functions as the cold fluid channel where heat is absorbed and removed from the system, and then form M6 nuts. These components are used to tighten and lock the assembly, maintaining structural integrity during operation. Overall, this model demonstrates a compact and innovative heat exchanger design where ultrasonic atomization is integrated to improve thermal performance in microscale system. Here we present the working principle of an ultrasonic micro heat exchanger, a compact thermal system that integrates capillary transport and ultrasonic atomization to enhance heat transfer performance. At the core of the system, an ultrasonic vibrating mesh atomizer generates high-frequency vibration. This vibration breaks the liquid into micron-sized droplets through the atomization process. The formation of fine droplets significantly increases the surface area for heat exchange. Additionally, ultrasonic effects such as acoustic streaming, micromixing, and also evaporation of droplets collectively enhance the overall heat transfer rate. Then, the heat absorbed by the droplet is transported downward and released at the heat output zone. This results in efficient removal of thermal energy from the system. This is the structure and main component of piezoelectric. The process continues in closed-loop cycle where to generate microcirculation capillary vibration to the heat input zone. Main component is the device consists of two transfer into the working fluid, piezoelectric rings temperature as the actuator, and the metal finally the heat located fluid the center, then transport downward. So the principle is when a stick electrical signal is applied, the piezoelectric vibrates surface at high frequency, transfer the working fluid mechanical energy to the mesh again. At the center of the device, there is a micro perforated mesh with very small hole. The mesh diameter depends the size of the active area of the mesh. Each hole has a specific inlet and outlet geometry with control droplet formation. And the mesh thickness also influences the flow resistance and jet stability of the atomizer. The same image at the bottom show the micro-scale structure of the mesh hole, highlighting the precision of the fabrication. In this video, we can see how piezoelectric mesh atomizer can atomize the working fluid of the micro heat exchanger. Primary data are obtained directly from controlled experimental investigation of the design micro heat exchanger system. The experiments are conducted under steady-state operating conditions, focusing on low-grade thermal regime with temperature range about 35 to 45 degrees Celsius and the temperature difference of approximately 5 to 10 degrees Celsius, which are representative of low temperature heat recovery system. The main measure parameter includes fluid temperature, hot fluid, and also cool fluid. And then mesh flow rate we determine using a flow meter or volumetric measurement, depending on the system configuration. And the thermal performance parameter. These parameters are calculated based on experimental measurement and are essential for performance evaluation. Heat transfer rate, logarithmic mean temperature difference, overall heat transfer coefficient, heat exchanger effectiveness, and number of transfer unit. The coefficient of this parameter allow for detailed thermodynamic and heat transfer analysis of the system, particularly in assessing the enhance induced by ultrasonic actuation. Secondary data serve as a function for validation, benchmarking, and theoretical interpretation of the experimental result. These data are derived from established literature and widely accepted heat transfer model, including scientific publications that related to micro heat exchanger, ultrasonic atomization, and spray cooling or evaporative cooling, and also thermophysical properties of the working fluid, specific heat capacity at constant pressure, CV, and fluid density, and then theoretical model and analytical frameworks, effectiveness and NTO method, and logarithmic mean temperature difference method, and relevant heat transfer correlation for validation. The secondary data source play a crucial role in validating experimental findings and enabling comparison with existing study, ensuring the reliability and scientific rigor of the analysis. In this research, we defining several variables, including independent variable, dependent variable, and control variable. Independent variables are the factors that are intentionally controlled or varied in an experiment to observe the effect on the system. The purpose of defining this variable is to systematically evaluate how different operating conditions influence the thermal performance of the micro heat exchanger. The first independent variable is the utilization of ultrasonic attenuation, specifically using a piezoelectric mesh automation. It is the most important variable, and this variable is divided into two conditions. Without ultrasonic is representing the baseline or conventional system, and also with ultrasonic that represent active optimization and flow induction. This comparison allows us to evaluate the impact of ultrasonic effect on heat transfer performance. The second independent variable is the inlet temperature of the hot fluid. In this study, the temperature is varied within the range of 35 to 45 degrees Celsius, with specific test points such as 35 degrees Celsius, 38 degrees Celsius, 31 degrees Celsius, and 44 degrees Celsius, and 46 degrees Celsius. This variation is used to analyze the influence of the thermal driving force on the system performance. And the dependent variable are the measure response that indicate the thermal performance of the system. For the first, the actual heat transfer rates, Q actual. This parameter represents the amount of the thermal energy successful transfer during the process. Second, the heat transfer rate on the hot side and cold side. These are used to evaluate energy balance and ensure the consistency and reliability of experimental data. And the overall heat transfer coefficient. This parameter reflects the overall capability of the system to transfer heat, incorporating convection, conduction, and the effect of ultrasonic atomization. The logarithmic mean temperature difference. This represents the primary driving force for heat transfer and is used in the LMTD-based analysis. The heat exchanger effectiveness is defined as the ratio of actual heat transfer to the maximum possible heat transfer, making it a key indicator of system performance. And finally, the number of transfer unit is dimensionless parameter that describe the heat transfer capacity relative to the thermal capacity of the fluids. The control variable kept constant throughout the experiment to ensure that the observed change in performance are solely due to the independent variable, and the working fluid in this distilled water selected for its stable thermophysical properties. The flow rate is maintained and constant at 22 milliliter per minute to eliminate variation in convective effects. The cooling fluid is kept around 30 degrees Celsius to represent ambient temperature. The geometry and material of the micro heat exchanger remain unchanged. The ultrasonic atomizer specification and system configuration are fixed, operating in closed-loop system. The laboratory environmental conditions are maintained relatively constant to minimize external influence. The experimental setup consists of a closed-loop micro heat exchanger system integrated with an ultrasonic vibrating mass atomizer, acting as an active flow and heat transfer enhancer. At the core of the system is a micro heat exchanger test section, which is contracts with compact cylindrical chamber, and inside the chamber, a copper heat transfer core is installed due to its high thermal conductivity, allowing efficient heat exchanging between the hot and cold fluid stream. The system operates using two fluid loops. Hot fluid loop is heat water is applied from temperature control water baths and then circulate using a micro DC pump. The hot fluid enters the upper section of the heat exchanger and transfer heat to the copper core. Cold fluid loop, the blue line, cooling water at approximately ambient temperature 25 to 30 degrees Celsius is circulated through a separate channel using another micro pump, removing heat from the system. An ultrasonic vibrating mass atomizer is installed within the system, powered by a signal generator and amplifier. In this setup, heat is transferred from the hot fluid to cold fluid through the micro heat exchanger. The presence of the ultrasonic atomizer enhances the process by increasing fluid mixing, promoting droplet-based heat transfer, and inducing additional flow of acoustic effects. All the factors will improve the thermal of the micro heat exchanger. This slide presents the droplet size correlation equation for a piezoelectric mass atomizer, which is used to predict the particle or droplet diameter dV generated during atomization. The equation shown here expresses the normalized droplet size dV per dO as a function of geometrical parameter of the mass and dimensionless fluid dynamics number. This correlation helps us understand how both device design and fluid properties influence droplet formation. First is the geometrical variable: inlet diameter of the mass hole, outlet diameter of the mass hole, L mass thickness, theta tapered angle of the mass hole, beta dO per di, construction ratio describe how the flow is constricted. This parameter control the flow passage and jet formation, which directly affect droplet size. And then physical interpretation. The equation also include dimensionless numbers such as Weber number VA that represent the balance between inertia and surface tension. Ohnesorg number is represent the effect of viscosity, and Reynolds number represent the flow regime. Together, these parameters describe the interaction between fluid force and atomization dynamics. From this correlation, we can understand that droplet size is not only controlled by mass geometry but also by fluid property and operating condition. This is important for optimizing the atomizer to achieve desired droplet size and heat transfer performance. In this slide, we present the droplet size correlation equation for a piezoelectric mass atomizer, which is used to predict the particle or droplet diameter generated during atomization. The equation shown here expresses the normalized droplet size dV per dO as a function of geometrical parameter of the mass and the dimensionless with dynamic number. This correlation helps us understand how both device design and fluid properties influence droplet formation. First, the geometrical variable includes the AI inlet diameter of the mass hole, dO outlet diameter of the mass hole, L mass thickness, theta taper angle of the mass hole, beta dO per dI contraction ratio describing how the flow is constructed. This parameter control the flow physics and jet formation which directly affect droplet size. The equation also include dimensionless numbers such as Weber number. VA represent the balance between inertia and surface tension. Ohnesorg number that represent the effect of viscosity. Reynolds number represent the flow region. Together, these parameters describe the interaction between fluid force and atomization dynamics. From this correlation, we can understand that droplet size is not only controlled by mass geometry, but also by fluid property and operating condition. This is important for optimizing the atomizer to achieve the desired droplet size and heat transfer performance. Therefore, this equation provides a fundamental basis for link atomization behavior to heat transfer enhancement, especially in micro-scale systems such as ultrasonic microheat exchanger. This graph shows the relationship between the surface temperature of cold side cell TSC and the heat transfer rate on the cold side QC under the two conditions, with ultrasonic atomization and without ultrasonic atomization. The microheat exchanger, when operated without ultrasonic atomization, show a wide distribution in QC value across a relatively narrow ring of TSG, around 30 to 32. There is no clear increasing or decreasing trend, suggesting that the heat transfer is less stable and less predictable. Some winds show relatively high QC, but they are inconsistent. When the utilization of ultrasonic atomizer also shows some variation, but they tend to form a more structured pattern. At moderate TSG value, the system achieves higher QC value. At higher TSG or QC decrease, indicating a possible reduction in heat transfer efficiency at elevated outlet temperature. Based on the energy balance analysis, it can be observed that the ultrasonic condition result in a relatively higher error compared to the conventional system without ultrasonic actuation. This finding indicates that although the application of ultrasonic automation enhance the intensity of heat transfer, not at all the supply energy is effectively transferred to the cold fluid side. Instead, a portion of the energy is stored as internal energy within the system, or associated with non-ideal effects such as acoustic energy dissipation and microscale fluid motion. This phenomenon is consistent with the fluctuating distribution of QC observed in the graph, where ultrasonic conditions produce higher but less stable heat transfer rate. In this graph, it can be observed that under non-ultrasonic condition, the overall heat transfer coefficient UA exhibit increasing trend with respect to the logarithmic mean temperature difference delta TLN. In contrast, under ultrasonic condition, the value of UA appear to be relatively stable or nearly constant, even as delta TLN increase. This behavior indicates that in the conventional system without ultrasonic, the transfer is primarily governed by the temperature driving force, or delta TLN, and convective heat transfer mechanism. As a result, UA shows a clear dependency on delta TLN. However, when ultrasonic automation using a piezoelectric mesh atomizer is applied, the heat transfer process becomes less dependent on the temperature driving force. Instead, UA becomes relatively independent of delta TLN and maintain higher and more stable value. It suggests that the enhancement of heat transfer is no longer dominated by thermal gradient alone. And in the ultrasonic assisted system, heat transfer is significantly influenced by droplet atomization, which is increased interfacial area, acoustic streaming, enhancing fluid motion and mixing, disruption of the thermal boundary layer, improving convective heat transfer, and this mechanism is intensify the fluid dynamic inside the system, leading to improved heat transfer performance. Therefore, the use of ultrasonic automation demonstrates that heat transfer in the micro heat exchanger is no longer solely controlled by delta TLN. The piezoelectric mesh atomizer effectively enhances the overall heat transfer coefficient and provide a more stable and efficient thermal performance. It's confirmed that ultrasonic technology is promising method for enhancing micro heat exchanger performance, particularly for low temperature heat source application. Finally, we can make a conclusion for this research. This study investigates micro heat exchanger enhanced by ultrasonic automation under low temperature condition. The results show that ultrasonic automation improves heat transfer performance, as indicated by higher value of key actual, key H, key C. In addition, the overall heat transfer coefficient UA increase and become less dependent on delta TLN, suggesting that heat transfer is driven more by fluid dynamic effect than by temperature difference. The NTU analysis confirmed that the system still follows the classical heat exchanger model, but with an upward shift in performance under ultrasonic condition. In conclusion, ultrasonic automation is an effective method for enhancing micro heat exchanger performance, especially for low temperature heat recovery application. although further automation is still needed. This study offers several key novelties in the development of micro heat changer technology. For the first, ultrasonic automation as an active heat transfer intensification mechanism rather than merely a fluid automation tool. Second, this research demonstrates that performance enhancement occurs through an increase in the overall heat transfer coefficient UA and shift in the ANTU cube without altering the fundamental heat exchanger theory. Third, this study identifies the limitation of the classical ANTU model in representing dynamic complex system involving ultrasonic automation, highlighting the need for hybrid modeling approach based on fluid dynamics. Finally, this research also proposes multi-channel analysis framework integrating macroscopic heat transfer theory with microscopic phenomena such as droplet formation, evaporative cooling, vortex generation, and local turbulence. For the future work, several key aspects need to be further developed to improve the performance of the system. Optimization of ultrasonic parameters such as frequency, amplitude, and power is essential to achieve optimal heat transfer performance. Second, droplet characterization and spray distribution analysis should be conducted to better understand the relationship between microscopic automation behavior and macroscopic heat transfer performance. Third, improvement in the design of the micro heat changer, including microchannel geometry and flow distribution, are needed to enhance heat transfer efficiency. Additionally, efforts should be made to minimize heat loss and improve experimental accuracy through better thermal insulation and advanced measurement techniques. And finally, future studies should explore alternative working fluid and real-world applications such as electronic cooling and low-grade heat recovery. Finally, I would like to conclude my presentation. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to my supervisor, Professor Dr. Cokorda Gede Tirtanindya, STMT, Profesor Dr. Dewa Ngakan Ketut Putra Negara STMT, and Dr. Wayanati Septiadi MD STMT for the valuable guidance, support, and encouragement throughout this research. I would like to thank to the Faculty of Engineering, Udayana University for providing the facilities and academic environment that made this research possible.